While they're getting ready, Sam, I'd like to run over a couple of numbers. You know, we go in rehearsal tomorrow.
Okay, Louis, go right ahead.
All right, fellas, let's get together now. Latch on to this one. This is Wham Sam. This will be the opening of the show. Here we go. Dig them gams, mellow like corn and country ham, slender and round and built from the ground. Wham, Sam, dig them gams. Wham, Sam, it ain't no flam. The chick's got props like she's from Bam, mellow and fine and so divine. Wham, Sam, dig them gams. Now I've been around and seen some legs, skinny one, fat one, some fine pigs. I like a chick that's built like her, soft and mellow like fine fox fur. Wham, Sam, dig them gams. Out of this world like berry jam, cool as a fool who's on the lam. Wham, Sam, dig them gams. Seen some legs, seen some fine pigs, fat ones, skinny ones like her, soft and mellow like fine fox, as a fool who's on the lam. Wham, Sam, dig them gams.